Welcome. In this video, we will learn some examples of BEDMAS rule. Learning objective. By watching this instructional video, you will be able to apply BEDMAS rule in solving arithmetic expressions. Let us start with this first example. Here in this example, we have brackets, so we will start with brackets. Working inside the bracket, 13 plus 5 is 18. Then we will write the remaining expression. Now, after solving the brackets, we will look for exponents, and there is no exponent in this expression. Then we will go to third order of priority, which is in division and multiplication, and here we have division sign. So we will now solve the division. 18 divided by 3 gives us 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. And finally we will write 3 minus 3 now. So this 3 is obtained by 18 divided by 6. And now we are left with one operator only, which is minus operator. So 3 minus 3 gives us 0. So the final answer when we solve this algebraic equation is 0. Let us take one more example. 18 divided by 6 plus 3 times 2. So in this question, there is no brackets to be solved. So we have no brackets to be solved. And then there is no exponent. And then the third level of priority is division and multiplication. We have division sign. So we will start with the division first. So 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. And then we will write the remaining equation. Here 3 plus 3 times 2. So still we have multiplication, which is third level of priority. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. So we will write 6 here and 3 plus 6. So final answer is 9, because addition as an operation comes at last in BEDMAS. Okay, let us solve one more example here. 128 divided by bracket starts 2 times 4 bracket closes exponent 2 minus 3. So clearly we have brackets here. So as per BEDMAS rule, we will start with brackets. So 128 divided by, so we will solve inside the bracket first. So we get 8 exponent 2 minus 3. So after we have solved the brackets, now it is the turn of exponent. So 8 exponent 2. So 128 divided by, it is 8 square actually, so it is 8 times 8. 8 exponent 2 can also be written as 8 times 8 minus 3. So we are still solving the exponent. So here it is 128 divided by 64 minus 3. So we have solved exponent, and after that in BEDMAS division and multiplication have to be considered. But this question has no multiplication sign, it has a division sign now. So we will solve the division first. So 128 divided by 64, which gives us 2. So then we get 2 minus 3. So eventually our answer, final answer is -1 for this expression. Before moving on, let us do a challenge question. This question has two brackets, I would say, or grouping signs. So there are two grouping signs or brackets. So first of all, we solve the brackets. So that is why we will start with the inner brackets here. That 12 minus 5, this grouping sign, 8 minus 2, and this bracket we are solving 9 minus 3 is 6, and then this grouping sign divided by 2. So we have solved the innermost bracket here. This is innermost bracket, and we solved this innermost bracket first, which gave us the number 6. Now we are to look it this way, that we have another grouping sign. So brackets, parentheses, grouping signs, they are to be dealt first. So we are still inside another bracket, take it this way. So there were actually two levels of brackets. So first one, the inner level of bracket we have solved. Now we will solve the outer level of bracket, and to do that we will do this way: 12 minus 5, and then this sign, grouping sign, 8 minus this 2 times 6 gives us 12. So this grouping sign closes, divided by 2. And then we are still in brackets, 12 minus 5. So when we solve this one here, this area, this is grouping sign. So grouping sign or bracket sign. So this gives us minus 4. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Divided by 2. So this part of expression, arithmetic expression, 5 minus 4 is actually 20. So minus and minus will make it a plus sign. So we have 12 plus 20 divided by 2. So after this, according to BEDMAS rule, we have division that we need to solve. So going forward, now we will do 12 plus 20 divided by 2, which gives us 10. So final answer for this question is 12 plus 10, which is 22. So in this video tutorial, you learned how to apply BEDMAS rule in solving arithmetic expressions. Keep learning and practicing. Thank you.